system test time. We have a new device on the system too, but let's just go over basic stuff. We got a Faraday 6227W over here. We have a Simplex 4903 9242 over here. We have a NVG12 LSP, and then the new device is in here. That's right, we got a panel. We have a fire shield panel. I forget the exact model number. We have the 278, and we have the Advance. If you wonder why I don't change out the pull stations that much, it seems it's because I just don't have very many pull stations. So yeah. I guess we'll start with a walk test. So yeah, so let's walk test. And that's gonna be this one and this one. Alright, so let's go hit the other pull station upstairs, and yeah. Garage door is closing. Alright, we got the RSG T-bar. Holy crap, it's getting dark. Alright, so, whoa. Uh-oh. Well, there you go. Did it. Tested that one. So this pull station is working, so let's go do the other ones. Okay, back in the basement. Let's just do the BG12 here real quick. Alright, there you go. And go do the 278. Wow. Alright, we did it. Now we're gonna reset. I think I'll go activate it by the RSG, and then so we'll end down here. So I'm gonna go back up to the garage. Hold up. Okay, we're good. Okay, back here in the garage. So we're just gonna Alright, I just gotta wait for the panel to finish. Alright, there we go. Give it another second. Come on. Alright, So I thank y'all for watching this system test, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Wow, it's unfocusing.